Welcome back. On second consecutive day, electoral officers refused to speak to the media. On Thursday, media persons tried to meet the chief electoral officer and sort out the issues. But unfortunately, Commission placed few policemen to deter journalists from any dharna. The journalists have decided to raise the issue with the editors. Rumors are floating that the electoral officers are being pressurized not to furnish information to the media. For 2 consecutive days, the electoral officers refused to speak or comment on any issue to the media. A message was circulated that there won't be any press briefing on Thursday, but still journalists marched to the Election Commissioner's office. On Wednesday, media persons held a dharna outside the office of Election Commission. Hence, as precautionary measure, police force was deputed at the Election Commission's office. A group of senior journalists met Chief Electoral Officer Kumaraswamy, but he refused to comment. Senior journalists feel that the editors should now look into the matter.
हाजे फुडें जर हे कंटिन्युअसली ते जर अशें जर सिक्रेटिवली रावन जर इलेक्शना विशींचे जर माहिती आमकां दिवचे ना योग्य वेळार जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया आनीक आमचे प्रिंट मिडियाचे संपादक लोक आसा पळय तांणी हातूंत विशयाक लक्ष घालचें पडटलें आनी तो विषय हँडल करचो पडटलो ना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता लोकांचे अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्याचेर ही गद येतली अशें म्हाका तरी स्पश्ट दिसता.
A reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. Kudos to the Excise Department. Illegal liquor has been seized from various parts of the state in this 1 month. Liquor was seized at Ponda, Kankon, Pedne, Bicholi, Salsit, Kepe and Satari. Liquor worth 1,60,000 rupees was seized within 2 days.
Kankona Excise Department seized liquor worth around 40,000 rupees in Nagarsen, Kankona. Excise Department received information about the illegal liquor. The people who were seen transporting the liquor fled away from the site.
एक टॉपिक जान कोण तरी आसले तेच्यान फाटी साइडच्यान उडी मारली ती फुडें वचून पळयलें जाल्यार सायडीच्यान खाची अशी बॉक्स पायल अप केले कडेन आसले भितर वचून थंय पळयलें जाल्यार मागीर तितून सगळो सोरो आसलो.
Liquor was also seized at railway station in Malpe Pedne by the Pedne Excise Department. Total cost of the seized liquor is around 50,000 rupees. However, department officials could not nab the people carrying the liquor.
त्या टायमार तो उतरता आसतना पावले आमी उतरून बी जाल्ले तेजे कितें टायम जाल्लो पावता म्हणटा तेजे
हांव म्हणटा ते खंयच्यान आयिल्लो हे सगळो आसा
ते कांय आयडिया ना खंयच्यान येयलो तो तितल्यान तो पवड तो कोण उतरला तो पवड
कितले जाण आसले ते लोक
बट तीग जाण.
Ponda Excise Department seized liquor worth around 25,000 rupees at Ponda. Excise Department tightened their vigil over illegal liquor in the state. Around 40 cases of liquor was seized in the godown owned by Pramod Kumar. He was arrested and later released on bail.
We found a lot of liquor bottles like Kingfisher and other assorted liquor, and we inquired with the person who was there, one Mr. Pramod Kumar, alias Gola Kumar. He was not having any license to possess this liquor.
With the code of conduct in force, Excise Department has kept a close vigil on the illegal liquor in the state. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
BJP candidate in Madgaon constituency for upcoming poll is almost finalized. BJP has sent a list of probable candidates to its high command for Madgaon. Candidates are expected to be declared within 10 days. Sources say that Bai Naik is the front runner for BJP's Madgaon ticket. There were rumors in Madgaon constituency that BJP is still uncertain about its candidate in the constituency. Interestingly, Pandurang alias Bai Naik addressed the media in Madgaon. Sources say that he is the front runner for BJP's Madgaon ticket. He cleared that a list of probable candidates have been sent to the High Command.
Very soon तुमका एक नवे तोंड दिसतले नवो एक यूथ मनीस दिसतलो यूथ म्हणजे हांव 30 वर्साचोच म्हणिना आमचे कडेन कॅन्डिडेट आसा नांवां गेल्या 10 ते 15 दिसा भितर नांवां येतलीं नवे तोंड मेळटले तुमकां नवे चेहरो मेळटलो डायनामिक लीडर मेळटलो.
He also stressed on Congress's inability to give Goa special status and said that if BJP comes to power, they will fight for special status to Goa.
तांच्यान स्पेशल स्टेटस घेवंक मेळनाशिल्लो तो कित्याक घेतलो ना ताजे फाटल्यान कितें मुद्दो आसा ते आमी सोदून काडपा जाय. आमी वी विल फायट फॉर स्पेशल स्टेटस फॉर गोवा.
They also informed that the Jan Sampark Yatra will reach to Fatorda and Madgaon on 22nd January. Meanwhile, Sharmad Raiturkar informed that complaints of distributing money in some places are not taken up by the Flying Squad of Election Commission. They said that they will complain to the Election Commission regarding the same.
मुद्दम वचात आणि पळयात सगळं प्रचार जातकीर 200 रुपये कशे वाटप चालू आसा. आम्ही खूप कंप्लेंट केल्या आधी पयलीं. कंप्लेंट करत जाल्यार सादी गजाल सगळे जाले नंतर थंय लोक पावतात अरे कोणच मेळना मरे आमकां अशें म्हणटात. हाजेरूय आमी वयर इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन कंप्लेंट करपाचे आसात.
BJP Yuva Morcha State Vice President Sharmad Raiturkar, Kamlini Paingankar, BJP National Council Member Pandurang Naik, General Secretary of BJP in Madgaon Devidas Borkar, Rupesh Mahatme and others were present during the press briefing. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Residents of Gauli border Fatorda are up in arms against the illegal structures in their area. They have given an ultimatum of 7 days to Madgaon municipality to demolish these structures. They have threatened hunger strike if municipality fails to do so.
Residents of Gauliwada Fatorda are annoyed with illegal structures coming up in open space in their area. They claim that these scrapyards are increasing. Agitated residents claim that even after a number of complaints to the concerned authorities, they have failed to take action.
इतले करून सुद्धा आम्ही तरी सगळे लोक गावचे एक झाले तरी पण अजून ती काय आले ना. थंय पहिले एक रूम आशिल्लो आता थंय जवळजवळ 10-15 रूम जाले आणि ते ओपन स्पेस थंय भुरग्यांक ल्हान भुरग्यांक खेळपाचें थंय ग्राउंड करपाचें सुवातेचेर तेणे सगळे भाड्यान रूम काडून भाड्याक दिले.
They have threatened to agitate outside the municipality if their demands are not met within 7 days.
एक्शन किती घेता ते पळयतले नाजाल्यार आमी बसतले स्ट्रायकार.
खंय बसतले?
हांगा म्युनिसिपालिटी.
तो पॉलिटिकल कोणाला हात आसता रे?
ना तुवें पॉलिटिकल कोणाला हात ना. आमकां कोणाला पॉलिटिकलाचो सपोर्ट ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता की हाजे वयल्यान कोणाला तरी कितें तरी आशिर्वाद आसा म्हणून इतलें सगळें चल्लां.
A reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.